Jangka Hills, Barka, Bangladesh.
The Composite Regional Center for Skill Development, Rehabilitation and Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities, in collaboration with the Social Welfare Department, organized an aid distribution camp today at the Ususutham Auditorium in Shillong. The event, part of the Assistance of Disabled Persons for Purchase or Fitting of Aids and Appliance scheme, provided support for acquiring aids and appliances to enhance rehabilitation and economic potential. Paul Lindor, addressing the gathering, highlighted the importance of using one's abilities for the greater good, encouraging attendees to leverage their talents to benefit humanity and future generations.
My message would be to remind ourselves that most of us have eyesight, but few of us have vision. Most of us have feet, but most of us do not move forward in life. Most of us have both our hands intact, and yet most of us do not use those hands to bless others. Therefore, on an occasion like today, let us recommit ourselves to use all that God has blessed us with for the sake of humanity and for the sake of